This video is from Mr. Donald. You purchased this 1x4 Bulldog that I had in the shop. It's been around here since when I bought Bulldog out. But here was the Bulldog that was in the shop, and you know, we discussed the case was pretty rough. You know, this is what they built them in back then. So after you looked at the case, you decided that maybe you want to do a different case. So here you go. I put it in. I bought a bunch of X-Force cases a while back from a guy, and I'll leave his name anonymous. But anyway, so there's your Bulldog amp rebuilt by Tinman amps, and just kind of went through it, put most everything that was in the amp. You know, I added new Hayco, new SO239s, which you can't see, 2 new fans, new variable knob, new toggle switch, new larger capacitor, just to make sure we're at the correct value. I put a new full wave 100 amp bridge rectifier. Put a I did put a different transformer in it too. The one that was in it wasn't up to my standards. And there's the original Bulldog board. I put a new relay in it, all new power wires. I put a lot in it besides what was originally in the box. So you know, that's all I can say at this point. But anyway, so toggle it down. I should have swapped it, but it's there. It's now power down. I put 2 new fans in it that are semi-quiet, and they get good airflow. So so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and show you what the radio is doing. Now that's a bass amp, so we'll go ahead and throw on the 2500 watt slug in peak, be the top scale. 5 is 500, 10 is 1000, 15 is 1500 watts, 1000 in average. Be reading the bottom scale. It's 20 is 200 average watts, 4 is 400 average, and 6 is 600 average. Let's go ahead and show you what my 99V is doing, and I am using a signal generator. So a whole whopping 20 watts. Just to make sure. Yep, 20. We'll say 21 for the benefit. It's doing about 8 bird. So, and this is a 2290, 2290 driving 42879, built by the good Bulldog team back in the day. So, and this is a powder coated case. This was a Carl built case on top of that. So it looks like it's got scratches and stuff on it, by the way. That's just the way they came from X-Force back then. So anyway, I'll get back on it. All right, let me turn it on. Variable is at max. I'd set your dead key around 100, 100 and a quarter, and let her rip. You want about a watt dead key, no more than 20, 25 watts going into it. And all right, let's go. Like I said, I'm not putting much in it. And we're seeing a little over 400 bird, and we are about 800 PEP. You know, it's not set up to be a very strong amp. I mean, it's doing 400 bird with 20 watts in, so you know, you could probably see 1000 on yours, but mine's pretty tight. So pretty tight. Let's see here. A little 400 bird, and there's no SWRs in the box. So all right, well, it's been fun. Sorry for the delay. It's been a rough week here in the shop. I haven't been out here too much, been working a lot, so that's what it is. Mr. Donald, coming to you.